Reproscripts Auto Imposition plugin is designed to speed up and facilitate the implementation of layouts on a printed sheet in professional prepress. It offers ample opportunities to work with various types of printed products. In this video, we'll show you how to use it to lay out carbon copy forms and envelopes. Let's prepare a new project in the plugin window. Now, using the inactive markup tool, we will point to the design boundaries for the first and second layers. This must be done, since both artworks are located side by side on the same sheet and information about the boundaries is necessary for their correct layout. By clicking on the second button in the list of artworks, we will add both to our project. The plugin can also automatically detect the inks used in them. Let's choose the press type and the format of the printing paper. Carbon copy forms often have different designs for different layers. In our example, the first layer should be printed in 2 colors, and the second in 1. An important point in such case for imposition is specifying a layout strategy. You need to select one job per sheet. With this setting, the plugin will not combine the jobs into one layout, but will form a separate imposition for each design. This is exactly what we need to print a carbon copy form. The finished layout contains all the necessary elements, crosses, registration marks, scales, and at the same time it remains an editable CorelDraw file in which you can make adjustments if necessary. Another case is to prepare a layout for printing on envelopes. In this case, there is no need for a layout as such, but the plugin makes it easy to prepare the plate for sending to CTP devices. Having prepared a new project and added our envelope design to it, it is necessary to indicate as a strategy, one job without layout. In many cases, it is necessary to rotate the design 180 degrees by marking the appropriate checkbox. A convenient plugin option is the ability to add additional registration crosses directly in the design area. This is necessary since there are no unprintable areas on envelopes and register has to be performed on elements in the print area. The position of the crosses is specified in the plugin settings and can be changed if they overlap with other design elements. After registering, the printer simply removes the extra crosses from the plate. A wide range of options and flexible layout strategies make the Reproscripts Auto Imposition plugin an indispensable tool for prepress work for both offset and digital printers.